this is Nathan Burns with Lego, and today I have got a, not an engineering thing, but a remote control car. So I've got the remote, but it needs to be turned on. Really, it's just the pieces from a train and some other pieces that just don't come with the train. Any train would work. You just need one of these battery packs, full charge, well, enough charge that when you do it, it goes on. Yeah. And so this is a train motor and one of these train remotes. Train remote and the bit that connects to the train remote from there. And so if we can turn it on, you can watch it. Now I'm just going to get some of these. I found lots of bricks when I was clearing up. These are just Juco bricks. Clearing up to make the video.
What is mine? I know this.
Come sit with me.
And so we've got a lot of bricks. We're just going to put them in to the front.
7 bricks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
5.
And if you didn't have a look at the front, you can see that there's this blue bit in front of the wheels and stuff.
Oh, is it, Mum?
Hold on a second, Mum. Take it to Dad.
So we've got this bit. It's connecting to the motor of the train, and yeah. And so you also need these bits. These are tires. I don't know where they came from, but we've had them more than I can remember. We did have a digger, but these aren't the wheels for the digger. So let's have a look and see if it can buff. The blue bit is for buffing.
Yeah.
Or 2. That time it had a little bit of a crash.
What? I did this. Next time when it crashes, I get it, Grace.
And so let's just put it back on. If you can see, it's got this. You make it so that the green bit and the yellow bit is both touching.
And it's got a train body.
Now we can buff that last bit. Now, happily, it did break,
But not the buffer.
the buffer did break off. It just, it didn't. It just looks like the buffer broke, but it was actually really good. Let's do some clearing again.
Whoa. Nathan, I'm speedy now. Speedy nice speedy. Nice. Oh, I'm very, very fast. Oh, my turn to get it. Okay.